students, good morning. Today we are going to see lesson number 3, algebra. So we know that what is meant by algebra. So algebra is a combination of variable and a constant. So first let us recall the previous classes. Previous standard, 8th standard or 7th standard or 6th standard already you have learned the basic concept that we can recall now. For example, first what is that? Constant. So constant is a fixed value. Constant is a fixed value. For what are the constants we can say? 2, 5, -10, -7, 0, √2, 1.5, 0.05, -0.05. These all the things are called a constant. Variable. Variable means various numerical value. This also fixed numerical value can be. Fixed numerical value. Variable means various numerical value. This is fixed numerical value. For example, what we can see? X, Y. From whatever, from A to Z, whatever we are getting now, that all is called what? A variable. From X to Y is that whatever alphabet we are getting now, that all the alphabet we can say it is a variable. Okay. Next, algebraic expressions. Okay. Algebraic expression. So algebraic means we know that plus, minus, multiplication, division, this all together is called algebraic. Expression means it is a continuous. Continuous means if you are seeing in a train, there is a express train. How is the compartment? So all the compartment are continuous, no, except second class. Remaining all the first class or AC sections, that all the compartment are what? Continuous. So that is called the expression. In that, for example, some example, in your book they given definition, I am reading. An algebraic expression is a combination of constant and variable combined together with the help of 4 fundamental signs. 4 fundamental signs means what? Plus, minus, multiplication and division. In your textbook page number 81 is there. Some examples. For example, x square plus 5. This is also one algebraic expression. Y square minus 5y plus 8. This is also one algebraic expression. Expression means using 4 fundamental operations, we can add this type of expressions. Okay. Next, we are going to see coefficients. Coefficients means what? This is we can take y square minus 5y plus. What is the coefficient of y square they are asking? Coefficient of y square. Coefficient of y square if they ask means, see, y square before any number is there? No. So we can take that 1. Coefficient of y square is 1. If they ask the coefficient of y, what is the before number? -5. Next, coefficient of 8. This is the constant. No, constant we don't have coefficient. So we have to say 0. Okay. So constant we don't have any coefficient. We will leave it as if they won't ask for constant coefficient. Okay. Next, coefficient we come to. Another one example I am giving. 8xy z. What is the coefficient of x? If they ask the coefficient means that x alone in the bit, remaining is 8yz. Okay. Next, what is the coefficient they ask what is the coefficient of yz, means that yz alone in limit, remaining what we can get? 8x is the answer. So what is the coefficient of xyz, means xyz alone in limit, remaining what we can get? That 8 alone we can get. So coefficient means what they ask that you have to write, remaining is the answer for coefficients. Okay. Next in your textbook they given polynomials. What is that? Polynomial. In your textbook, page number 81, there is the concept of polynomial. I will read the definition. A polynomial is an arithmetic operation consisting of variable and constant that involves 4 fundamental arithmetic operations on non-negative integer exponents of variables. A polynomial is an arithmetic expression consisting of variable alphabets and constant numbers that involves 4 fundamental arithmetic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and non-negative integer exponents. Exponent means power. Non-negative integer means a positive value of variable. Next they given in your book, polynomial in one variable. Polynomial in one variable. One variable means x na x alone you have to take, y na y alone you have to take. So in your textbook they give a general form a naught x power 1, a n x power n, next a n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus a n minus 2 x power n minus 1 plus a n minus 2 x power n minus 2. It's not visible now, so here I will write plus a n minus 2 x power n minus 2 plus etc. a2 x power 2 a1 x plus a0, where an minus 1, an minus 2, a2, a1, a0, these all are called what? So here also not visible, so I am writing here a1x plus a0. So these all are called what? Variables, constant. a1, an minus 1, a1, a2, these all are called constant. This x3, x square, x power n minus 2, that all are called variables. One a simple example shall I write? P of x is equal to 5x square plus 6x plus 7. Look at it. See, power 2 is there, one variable is there, power 1 is there, one variable is there, and the last constant is there. So this is the concept of polynomial. Polynomial means continuously it will there with one variable they say. Polynomial is arithmetic expression consisting a variable and a constant that involves 4 fundamental arithmetic operations. Okay. This is the general form. We can give P of x, Q of x, F of x, whatever we need, you can give this. Okay. Next, some conditions for polynomial. What is meant by polynomial? Already I showed you. Polynomial, it's a combination of variable and constant that involves 4 fundamental arithmetic with non-negative exponents. Exponents means power. See, this P of x is equal to 5x square plus 7x plus 10. So here see the power always positive. This we can say polynomial. In case if we have 7x power minus 2 plus 9x plus 1. See the power minus is there. So we can say it is not a polynomial. If we have power is minus, we can say it is not a polynomial. Okay. Same way next, the variable should not be in denominator. Variable should not be in denominator. For example, look at 9x square plus 7 by x plus 10. See the variable in denominator. This is also we should not say polynomial. Okay. Third condition, the variable should not be in root. See. 5 root x plus 7. Root x means what? Root value is what? 1 by 2. So this root value is power 1 by 2. Root x means x power 1 by 2. They said only the power should be a whole number, but this is the fraction number, rational number. So that is also, it is not a polynomial. So this is the concept of, one of the concept of polynomial. So power should not, for example, 5x power 1 by 3 plus 7. So power what is there? 1 by 3. Power also should not be a negative 1. Sorry, fraction. If we have fraction, we can say it is not polynomial. So 4 rules. One is power should not be a negative, power should not be a fraction, the variable should not be denominator, and the other one is the variable should not be in root. These 4 concepts, for we ought to learn about the concept of polynomial.